Morning, y'all! Let's whip up some country magic with our farmhouse breakfast hash. One pan, a handful of fresh ingredients, and you've got yourself a slice of heaven. First, we're gonna sizzle up some savory sausage in our trusty cast iron skillet. Listen to that crackle. Now, let's add these golden Yukon potatoes. They're gonna crisp up real nice in that sausage fat. Time for a pop of color. In go these beautiful bell peppers. Here comes the best part. We're gonna make little nests and crack our farm-fresh eggs right in. Sprinkle on that gooey mozzarella cheese. Watch it melt into all those nooks and crannies. A pinch of fresh herbs, and voila! Our farmhouse breakfast hash is ready to serve. Just look at that steam rising. Can you almost smell it through the screen? From farm to fork in one delicious skillet. That's the taste of home right there. Happy cooking, y'all. Please like and subscribe. Got any ideas for a video? Please leave a comment.